Today we'll look at how to download data from a website. Specifically, we'll look at how to download the coronavirus daily data, the worldwide data. It is available on the European Center for Disease and Prevention and Control on this website. This is the link, and this is the site. And the data is here. They update it every day, so we can copy the link location and say I put it here. So this is that. So here you can see the date is here. So they update it every day. So we could, rather than changing the date, we can put a piece of code there and say create the date every day. So you can use the DateTime module, and so we create today's date as datetime.date.today, and we need this in this format, the particular format, the ISO format, and we can check it, print. So it's right. So now we can construct that URL. So the equal to, so we copy the whole thing up to here and put it here, and then we say today's date, and then we need the XLSX. Alright, see if it's working. Yeah, there's a dot. So if you run it, alright, so it's right. And now we don't need this anymore. Alright, so now we have the URL, so we can use the request library to get the data that we want. So how do we do it is we just say r equal to request dot get URL. That's it. And then of course sometimes they update the data on certain time of day. So if the data is not there, we'll get an error. So we can check the code, the status code, and then just say print code and see it's working. Yeah, it's 200, so it's working fine. So now we could use a file equal to open, say data corona or data COVID, say analysis or something, XLSX, or you can say worldwide. And we need to open it we need to write in binary format. So, and then we say f dot write from R, we just take the content of R. So we choose the r.content and then write that information, the data on the file, and we close it, and we can just run this. Everything seems to be alright. So this is the thing, this is the file. So let's open. This is the data. Let's see if it is there. Yeah, it seems to be working. Now we can maybe put a piece of code so that we don't, if there's an error, we can automate that process. So if you can say if, say the code not equal to 200, if there is, in case of an error, you can print a message says the date, just say data not, say is a error, data not say available yet. So and the else we can just download. We could can move this on the right. So if in case in case of errors, it will show the data, and also we could since we can say this is the data code worldwide, this is the data, we could also make it more, I can say data is equal to, say, we can say give a like plus today's date if you are doing it every day. So that would, and then we can change it here. So that way we have like f equal to open data, and so we have the data in a different file now. So the file we can look at here. So this is the data file. So we say xdg open. So now it will be written specifically to that particular date. So that's it. And also, instead, if you are using the same directory, we can also check if the data, you can check if we don't have to keep downloading the same file if the data is already downloaded, right? If not os.path.exists data, then only we do, right? So we can do that as well. And we move this on the right. else say print. It will check if that file exists. Print the file already exists. So let us check now, because already the file is there. And so I have the double quotation, single quotation. Problem. Yeah, so the file already exists, so we don't need to do that again. So that's it. So that's basically how we download the data. And so I'll put the link to the data link, and so this is the code. So it's very simple, and we'll look more into in the coming days how to extract the data and stuff. This is basically just downloading the data and saving it on the on your disk. And all right, enjoy coding, be safe, be well, bye.